Sanibonani guys. As you know, Orlando Pirates iyadlala namhlanje and Mofokeng is not on the lineup or on the squad. Mina, from my point of view, bafethu, I think I think Mofokeng bekuyi-last game yakhe le ayidlale ne-Sundowns from i-Pirates. Mofokeng is leaving. Mofokeng uyahamba uyodlalela i-Minnesota le-America le. Yeah, you can tell ukuthi bekangekho happy kulama game esiwadlalile bro. After seeing uNkotha ahamba, I think imenze ukuthi afile some type of way and mangithi ngiyabheka uMofokeng sowine izinto ey'ningi ne-Pirates. Makathi uyabheka esayidini lakhe lama-cup awawinile lapha ku-Pirates for yena enough, yabo. Somehow maybe uyazi ukuthi i-league kungenzeka angayiwini. Baningi abantu abangawinanga i-league up until baya ku-Sundowns, yabo. So I think we should let umfana ahambe azitholele imali ayifunayo. Abuye ayi-millionaire naye asasemncane bafethu. Everyone sisebenzela imali angithi. Danko.